Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So today, believe it or not, I have a Causebox unboxing. What Causebox might you ask? It is the Fall Causebox. Yes, this box had gone to Washington, it came to Arizona, then I got sick and it's just been sitting around. So I actually have like a couple Causebox, I have a couple FabFitFun boxes, I'm catching up on boxes. So yeah, it's a Causebox. So let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I am catching up on videos, so you normally don't see videos of unboxings that are from months and months ago. And please hit that bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. And let's get into it. Again, I got two. I'm not sure which one I'm opening. So there's a bunch of paperwork in here. And again, this one's older. So this says get a free PMD when you refer a friend. So I'm sure that's not even good anymore. Bouncing back. So I don't even know what's good in the box as far as the paperwork goes. So I mean, it's not that old where the products aren't good. And then there's a postcard. So as you know, my daughter lives in Germany, so I can send her cute little postcards. And there's probably a book in here with the products. Where that book is, I don't know. So we'll just guess as to what's in here. The first thing is Buzzy Organic Basil Chef Garden Grow Kit. So it's a 20-minute recipe, so you can grow your own basil. And obviously everybody and their mother has opened this box, and I'm sure they have opened these basil things. Let me know if you opened them, if you used them, if they work, so I can try and grow my own basil. If not, I'll give it to somebody else to grow their own basil, because I'm not really good at growing things. So that's the first thing. And then, and I think I was able to pick out one or two things, so I don't even remember what I picked out. And then there's the Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel Focusing and Soothing. So I can never go wrong with that. And then we have the teas. Oh, it's a glass tumbler. I would have thought, don't they put the books in here like what you get? Let's see what we got. Oh, it's got a little jacket on here. It's got a little sweat jacket. I'm trying to, is it broken? Oh no, it's got something in here. Okay, I really will never use this. Oh, it's got parts in here. So you pour tea in here. Okay, this is just too complicated. And then I'm assuming this comes off, and here's all the, oh, here's all the directions. Okay, this is something I will never use, but I have a sister that's like a tea-aholic, so I'll let her figure it out. It's really nice, but it's just something I will not use. And I think I remember, is this a robe? They had a robe, and I think it was the robe that I wanted. So I don't know if the new box that they sent me has the exact same things in there, but I did want the robe. So, yeah, this is what I wanted. So I like the robe. Let me know if you guys got the robe in your box and what you thought of the robe. I read some reviews that people didn't like the robe. So let me know if you like the robe. I have to wash it. I mean, I don't think it feels bad. I think they were complaining about how the robe felt, but I kind of like the robe. And, oh, now we got this serum, face serum brightening. I've gotten this in other boxes, and I don't think I have used it yet. So it's really not bad. I'm disappointed though. I could have sworn that they put like a book in there, and then they put a book of like the choices that you can get, but I could be wrong. And then we got, this is a cutting board and salad bamboo serve set. I know I didn't ask for this. Yeah, this isn't something that I would use. What did I think of the box? I mean, obviously I've had it for a while, but this is something that I won't use. And the serum I won't use. The aromatherapy I will use, and the robe. And I like the color of the robe. It's like that, a seafoam green I will use. Let me know if you got this, because I wouldn't mind trying to grow that. This I won't use. I will gift it to my sister because, again, she's a tea person. She might like it. To me, it's just bulky, and I can't see reaching for it and using it all the time. But I can be wrong, and I'm a little disappointed that there was no book in here with like the different choices, or maybe there were no choices and that's just what you got. Everybody got the same. So leave me comments. I will use the postcard because I can send it to Germany. And this doesn't say anything, but yeah, this box just didn't light my fire. So, yeah, even if I opened it when I got it, or when I should have got it in the fall, it just didn't light my fire. So, I don't know. So you guys have an awesome day. Again, leave me comments below, and I'll talk to you soon.